Who is this for? First, Web3 security researchers that want to broaden their skills and experience and learn some new ecosystems, new programming languages, and new technology. If you feel that you are a Web3 security researcher and the market is quite saturated because there are a lot of contesters in auditing competition, it's hard to find a job, you came to the right place, because by mastering another ecosystem and another skill, you're broadening your opportunities and opening new gates and doors for yourself and for your career. So this is the perfect place for you. If you're a cybersecurity, Web2 cybersecurity researcher, and you want to do a shift to Web3 security, this is also perfect for you. I do recommend, in addition, to check out the SCH course, the Solidity Smart Contract Hacking course, because it brings some fundamental knowledge, and this is also the original blockchain, Ethereum, the original smart contracts programming languages. And also this is kind of the beginning. The Ethereum ecosystem was the first. The Solidity smart contract programming language was the first battle-tested smart contract programming language, where you have many protocols and many DeFi apps using. So definitely check out also the original SCH course. If you are a Web2 programmer that want to do a shift to write smart contracts and decentralized applications for Starknet, this is also perfect for you. If you're a DeFi researcher, you're exploring the Starknet ecosystem or in general DeFi ecosystems, this is also perfect for you. Or anyone else that want to master a super cool skill that can also convert into income as a salary, as a bounty, as a competition rewards. This is also for you. Now, if we drill down to the Starknet ecosystem, which is the idea of this course and the Cairo programming language, we can see that in Starknet, the TVL is rising. We can see that there is already more than $300 million locked in TVL. And you can see this crazy spike over here after the launch of the Stark token, the token of the ecosystem of the blockchain. The idea here is that it's a new ecosystem with way less competition and a good potential growth. And you want to position yourself with the relevant skills and knowledge to provide value to this ecosystem. If it's going to be in form of a developer, you're going to create protocols, write Cairo smart contracts, dApps for Starknet, or a security researcher, an auditor, and you're going to make sure that the Cairo smart contracts that are being written and deployed on Starknet are safe and secure. And of course, for this skill, you're going to be paid either as a full-time job or contester in auditing contests, or any other opportunities that we'll cover next